Supreme Court today said that the fresh electoral bonds can be issued from April 1st. The decision came based on the Election Commission's argument that it approves of instrument since without it, political parties will deal in hard cash. The poll panel, however, said it is keen on bringing in more transparency into the transactions involving the bonds. The Association for Democratic Reforms had moved the court seeking an interim stay on the sale of electoral bonds scheduled between April 1st and April 10th. In a big win for the Tata Sons, the Supreme Court today backed the removal of Cyrus Mistry as the chairman of Tata Group in 2016 and set aside the company law tribunal order that had reinstated him. A bench headed by Chief Justice S.A. Bopde said the decision to remove Cyrus Mistry was right. Tata Group had vehemently opposed all the allegations and said the board was well within its rights to remove Mistry as the chairman. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today flagged off his foreign tour since India declared the COVID-19 lockdown a year ago. He is in Bangladesh today and tomorrow to attend the celebration of the country's 50th year of liberation from Pakistan and the centenary year of its founder, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. The two countries are also celebrating 50 years of establishment of diplomatic ties. With over 59,000 coronavirus cases, India on Friday recorded the highest single-day rise so far this year, pushing the nationwide COVID-19 tally to 1.18 crores. The active caseload, on the other hand, breached the 4 lakh mark again after around 3.5 months. Maharashtra remains the worst-hit state, reporting 35,952 new coronavirus infections, the highest one-day rise since the pandemic began. Mumbai city also witnessed a record rise in cases during the day. Farmers protesting against the 3 contentious agriculture laws are holding Bharat Bandh today to mark 4 months of their agitation at Delhi's borders. 4 trains were cancelled and more than 30 trains were stopped over agitations near railway stations in Delhi, Chandigarh, Firozpur and Amritsar. Demonstrations were also reported at National Highway 9 near one of the 3 protest epicenters in the national capital, the Ghazipur border. Policemen have set up barricades to block the movement of protesters.